Welcome to episode 2 of Minecraft Survival World. Sorry about that, because my video stopped recording. Let's go back in. And yeah. Can I okay. If I jump over the wood there, that'd be sick. So oh my god. Yes. Anyway, I'm getting up the mountain, guys. This episode I fell, so... And I actually kind of raged. Oh, too much. Oh my god. I hate the new jump button in this version. But I also kind of like it too. Oh my god. My guy doesn't know how to jump. I don't even care. I don't even care. So guys, start chopping down some more wood. We need food in a bit. You don't want to do something that a noob does, and that's starving to death.
Starving to death?
Yep, and I'm joined by my brother. Say hi, Darian.
Die.
Die. Oh my god. You're just like, say hi, Darian. Die. Oh my god. Okay. We get a reasonable amount of wood. Here. Hi, Darian. Say hi, Darian.
Die. Die, Darian.
Die, Darian. Say hi, Darian. Die, Darian.
How do you make paper? How do you make paper?
Shut
How
up.
do you make paper? How do
Sugar
you
cane.
make paper?
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane. You think that hurts?
Little baby, sugar cane, baby, ouchie, ouchie, little baby, smack you right in the face, baby.
Because the little ball sack.
Whoa! 360, no scoop your foot.
Do it.
Woo! Now, I
You
did
have
it.
to jump.
Let me destroy this cow and end its life. Cow. Thank you. Another cow. Come on, cow.
Oh, that cow.
Cow. Get off. Cow. Let's get the meat.
Did it really give you the
XP! X-penis!
Your ex-penis. Ryder, is that war?
That's an airplane.
What?
That's an airplane. Airplane!
Airplanes aren't really that loud.
Look,
Right.
that's like a jet.
Jets aren't that loud. Oh, what?
Yeah, they
Oh
are.
yeah, like the attack planes, like those kind.
You have the army jets.
What?
The army jets.
Yeah.